Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a practical foundation, basic HTML and analytics literacy so you can diagnose problems fast. Start by auditing one site right away. Extract current traffic, top pages, and 20 target keywords to prioritize. Once done, install Search Console and Analytics with proper tagging so you measure changes. You'll learn quickly by comparing before and after metrics. Make sure to document hypotheses for each change. This turns guesses into repeatable tests that prove what actually moves rankings and traffic. Now focus on execution and systems that scale. You'll write content briefs tied to keyword intent and user needs so writers produce targeted pages. Explain why each brief exists to avoid fluff. Simultaneously run technical fixes. Improve crawl budget, speed, structured data, and mobile experience to support content gains. Once those basics are stable, implement an editorial calendar and a link-building outreach system with clear KPIs. This creates consistent content velocity and authority growth that search engines reward over time. To complete the process, launch prioritized changes and measure results across consistent 4-6-week windows so signals stabilize. You should iterate, roll back or refine what underperforms, and double down on what increases conversions. If traffic drops, troubleshoot quickly, check indexation, recent algorithm updates, crawl errors, server logs, and content cannibalization to find the root cause. Finally, document what worked and why so you can scale successful tactics across other sections or sites, making your SEO program repeatable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.